Today, we are going to review the book The Way They Learn. This book is a must read for parents, teachers, or anyone curious about how people process information. This book breaks down different learning styles in an easy to understand way, helping you recognize and adapt to individual needs. It's full of relatable examples and practical tips, making it both insightful and actionable. Whether you are guiding kids in school or simply trying to communicate better with loved ones, this book helps you connect more effectively by understanding how others learn best. I recently bought this book when I started homeschooling, and just going through that book, reading it, gave me an insight that I never even thought about earlier. So it's definitely a powerful tool for creating better relationships and fostering growth through tailored learning approaches, simple, eye opening, and highly practical.